Are you an American investor looking to leverage your individual retirement account IRA to expand your financial portfolio and live in Europe? By using your IRA to invest in a Portugal Golden Visa-eligible fund, you can secure EU residency without early withdrawal penalties or tax consequences. This powerful strategy helps you diversify your retirement savings globally while opening doors to Europe's residency and citizenship opportunities. In this video, we'll explain how your IRA can serve both your long-term financial goals and your desire for global mobility through Portugal Golden Visa. Most investors don't realise this. Your IRA can open the door to Portugal's Golden Visa without triggering penalties or taxes. How? Through a self-directed IRA or solo 401k. You can invest in eligible funds abroad without compromising your tax benefits or long-term goals. Rather than pulling money out of your IRA and facing penalties, this approach keeps your capital working for you actively, tax efficiently, and globally. How does it work? US retirement accounts aren't limited to US investments. With a self-directed IRA or solo 401k, you can diversify globally and invest in Portugal. Here is what that looks like. A self-directed IRA allows direct investment into alternative assets, including eligible private equity funds in Portugal. With a minimum investment of €500,000, you gain both portfolio diversification and Golden Visa eligibility. Since the funds stay within the IRA, you keep the tax-deferred growth, no penalties, no early withdrawal taxes. Why Portugal? Portugal's Golden Visa isn't just another residency program, it's one of the most flexible and attractive in Europe. Here's why it appeals to so many American investors. Residency benefits of the Golden Visa program extend to immediate family members. After a few years of Golden Visa maintenance, investors can apply for Portuguese citizenship. No relocation is required. You only need to visit Portugal for 14 days every 2 years to retain your Golden Visa. Portugal Golden Visa gives its holder the right to reside in Portugal, in addition to visa-free travel to the 29 European countries within the Schengen area. Portugal provides its residents with an outstanding quality of life in addition to its benefits. The country holds a position as one of the world's safest nations according to the 2024 Global Peace Index, ranking at number 7, which makes it an excellent choice for people who want stability and security. Portugal has a relatively low cost of living compared to the US and a high quality of life with world-class healthcare and educational services. Follow these 7 steps to choose the right fund for your IRA. Step 1. Choose the right IRA custodian. Choose a custodian service provider who has the experience with self-directed IRAs and international investments, particularly those linked to Golden Visa programs. Step 2. Confirm the fund's Golden Visa eligibility. Not all funds qualify. The investment fund must meet Portugal's Golden Visa regulations. Investors should confirm the fund's eligibility before making an investment. Our team can provide you with a list of eligible funds. Step 3. Verify regulatory compliance. A qualifying fund must be registered with Portugal's Securities Market Commission, CMVM, and it must comply with FATCA regulations. The investment strategy, along with the fee structure and risk disclosures, must be presented in professional English for clarity. Step 4. Check liquidity options. Funds that offer periodic redemption options should be preferred by investors. The ability to rebalance the IRA portfolio becomes essential due to its flexibility. Step 5. Simplify the investment process. The IRA investment should go through a fund that allows direct wire transfers from US-based IRA custodians. This process eliminates the need to establish a Portuguese bank account, thus reducing administrative complexity. Not all funds in Portugal can accept direct IRA investments. Therefore, it's necessary to verify this prior to making a decision. Step 6, look at diversification and management. Funds that deploy their entire investment into one asset or project should be avoided. Choose one with a diversified portfolio and a management team with a strong track record that aligns with the investor's risk profile. Step 7, compare fees and value. Review the historical performance data and investment costs thoroughly. Investors should shortlist multiple Golden Visa funds to determine which one provides the best value for their investment. Consider any subscription fees, setup fees, and management fees. If you're interested in securing your Portugal Golden Visa, all you need to do is reach out to Citizenship Bay, a licensed agent for several countries and the world's leading citizenship and residency by investment programs. Backed by extensive experience and a strong global network, they can handle the entire process on your behalf. For more information, visit our website www.citizenshipbay.com or contact us using the following phone numbers